VSTM stock analysis and price predictions for next week and onward. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1-minute video. And as the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, you bet I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Needless to say, a solid bullish market, man. Like a very, very, very solid one. I mean, even if I come out here, you can see that we just reached this previous top, and I'm aiming for new higher highs to be made, of course. But like randomly buying, it's still not going to be happening, man. Like, here is my demand zone, and only if I do see it pulling down and then giving me that shift, you just bet I would look to take it further up, like crazy higher, right? But like randomly buying, it's just not going to be happening. So that's how VSTM is looking like, and all I'm doing in the meantime is just waiting for rules to be met. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I'll keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.